Hello, my name is Miranda Morgan. I am a student at St. Petersburg College in the Bachelor's in Science in Nursing degree program. I am here to present my analysis of this medical application, the Heart Murmur Pro. The Heart Murmur Pro application was developed by HippoSoft LLC. It is designed as a learning tool for medical students to help identify 23 types of heart murmurs. This application was made for medical students, healthcare staff, as well as people who are just interested in knowing. It is intended to be used as a review of these 23 different heart sounds with built-in quizzes to help those be successful at identifying heart murmurs. The Heart Murmur Pro application can be purchased through Apple iTunes Store directly from the device for $2.99. It is designed for operating systems iOS 7.0 or later, with optimal use in the iPhone 5. The Heart Murmur Pro application is compatible with Apple products such as the iPhone, iPad, and iPad Touch, and it is very user-friendly. Once the application is purchased and downloaded onto your device, simply open the app and start exploring. First screen is to agree with the disclaimer. Once that is done, the user is ready to learn. Simply click on the heart murmur you want to learn more about, listen to the sound, and later quiz yourself with the swipe of a finger. This application has very few screens and sections to navigate through, which makes it desirable for healthcare workers to get answers fast. When first opening the application, you have to click Agree or Disagree to their terms of service before it opens the application. The information can be reviewed at any time in this app by scrolling to the Info page. HippoSoft does not warrant and expresses disclaims that the information provided is up to date, complete, or accurate. The Heart Murmur Pro app is not meant for definitive diagnostic purposes and is not responsible for misdiagnosis. The author and products of HippoSoft disclaims any liability, loss, or damage caused by it or its contents. By clicking the Agree button, you accept to these terms to this application. This application should be viewed as a learning tool and should not be used to diagnose or treat any condition. Personally, I would highly recommend this app to anyone, but more specifically to nursing students and staff. The Heart Murmur Pro is a great learning tool for nurses. However, it is limited to only Apple products, but it is a great tool for those who have access to it. The cost of this app is inexpensive, and the information is easily accessible and easy to use with its limited number of screens to have to navigate through. The Heart Murmur Pro, again, is a great learning device for not only medical students, but nurses as well. To reiterate, it is affordable, fast, and easy to use. We are aware that we cannot rely on apps for diagnosing, but the information provided in the Heart Murmur Pro can be a very beneficial education tool to help us nurses on a day-to-day basis in the clinical setting by getting the answers we need fast to help us communicate better with the doctors and staff. That is the end of this presentation, and thank you for listening.